Hey there guys, Steve here and welcome to Grind to Freedom. Today we're going to be talking about how to get views on YouTube with no subscribers. How to get views with 0 subscribers on YouTube. All you have to do is first know that the core thing that people are looking for on YouTube, is being entertained or being informed, being educated. So the fastest way that you get views with 0 subscribers, nothing, just a brand new channel or even an established channel with that amount of subscribers, is for you to bring value. If you focus on bringing value to people, it will ultimately find the right person, find the right audience that it's looking for it. Another thing, and that ties in with this that I just mentioned, is that you need to be able to title videos appropriately. Because for example, this particular video, you see the title, and it's literally the topic that I'm covering in the video. So if I would have titled this video Apple Burger Sandwich, nobody is going to find the video that I'm trying to target with this particular video. So same with your videos. If your message doesn't fit or doesn't match the title of your video, then it's going to be extremely difficult for you to accrue views. So your message has to match the title in order for the people you're trying to target, for them to find it. Then the algorithm will start recommending your videos or that particular video to more people that resonate with that type of content. Because essentially, you have to think about this with YouTube to paint you a pretty picture. You post a video, right? You post a video on your channel, like I'm just posting this video right now. In the back end, the YouTube algorithm, it's literally like a car salesman. So the algorithm, because it's an algorithm, is not like a physical person. It's all in the interwebs behind the scenes and stuff like that. What they do is shop around your video. So all of a sudden they're like, okay, they read what you say because there's transcripts of what you're saying. So everything is being transcribed by AI or whatever. Then they see the title of the video and they're like, okay, was this person is saying, does it match with that title? Cool. Now let's distribute this video slowly to see if people that look for this particular content resonate with that title. Here's where your thumbnail becomes important, because once you're getting that video shopped around, so you're being recommended in other people's feeds, essentially those people, the only thing those people see is your title and your thumbnail. And maybe as a third thing, your views. So if it's a video that pops in their feed and it has 0 views, they might not be so enticed to click on it. But if that video pops in their feed and it says 20 views, maybe they don't get so turned off by it, because what they're focusing, the first 2 things that they're focusing is the title and the thumbnail. And if those 2 things resonate with the person on the other side, they're going to click on the video. Now here's where it gets juicy. when that user, when that potential subscriber uh, gets into your video, now everything is about watch time. Everything is about audience retention. So if that person watches your video and they're watching all the way through, like you right now are watching this video right now, essentially what the algo does is like, hey, that person liked that video a lot because they stayed for a certain amount of time, for a certain percentage of that video. If that person clicks off that video, they don't get recommended really stuff of you. If that person watches a lot of your video, that person can potentially get recommended more things that you post. And if that person not only watches your video, but engages with the video, meaning like they like the video, they commented on the video, they subscribe to the channel, then that's a super positive thing that then allows the algo to shop around your video even more with people similar to that person, to that user that just engaged or viewed your video. So in essence, that's everything that's happening behind the scenes that you don't see necessarily. That's why there's certain videos that all of a sudden they explode and some videos that don't do so well. For example, on my channel, every time that I talk about YouTube advice, because I have a lot of knowledge, and as you can tell by the way that I explain things and I am telling you things, it's from someone that's very well researched. I actually, it's a secret, I used to work technically in YouTube headquarters, not directly with YouTube, like under YouTube's payroll, but yes, in like Los Angeles and California in their headquarters. I used to go there all the time. I used to work in basically their event setting, so coordinating events. And I used to also help other YouTubers that I actually got to know there manage their YouTube channel. So I got really nerdy about the back end and things about that nature on YouTube. So I'm very knowledgeable about that. And when I open up about my expertise and my knowledge, when it comes to things like that, when it comes about building side hustles, things of that nature, my videos tend to do better on my channel. When I talk about personal things, only like the hardcore people, you know, the people that subscribe and watch most of my videos and stuff like that, they tend to watch those, but not the majority of the audience. For example, when I talk about my back pain, so I've had back pain for a long time because I was in multiple car accidents in the past. When I talk about horror story that happened to me and stuff like that, people don't watch it a lot because it's not about them. It's more about me personally, even though I still use my story to give actionable advice in every video that I make. But yeah, when it comes to like things of the other nature of like leaving your 9 to 5, side hustles, YouTube videos and stuff like that, because it's things that people are searching for more, those things get recommended to them more, and therefore it does better, that content on my channel. So I want you to be aware of this, so in the future you are not caught in a loop of making videos that are not valuable or helpful to the other user, because then you'll know what you have to do and you don't have to do. For example, I would love to keep talking about different things of like health issues or back pain or whatever it is that I'm going through, but because people are not interested in that really, I only, will intertwine it in between other content. So for now, because I've experimenting enough with my content, I know what it is that at least my audience wants to see from me. So that's the same thing that you should do through different forms of experimentation on your YouTube channel to find those core topics that your audience resonate with the most, and then you can focus on those even more and explode your YouTube channel. And then you'll go from 100 to 200 to 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers and beyond. But you need to follow those principles that I basically detailed in this video in order for you to achieve that. And to really retain this information, because sometimes clicking away and clicking a bunch of videos, this information can just go from one ear to the next, especially if you keep watching more and more videos. So I will highly recommend that you watch this video twice or thrice, save the video, put it on your watch later, because it will literally give you the blueprint for you to explode a YouTube channel. Literally, just with this video alone, you can skyrocket almost any YouTube channel if you play your cards right. But again, it's following the principles here. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to this channel. We are on our way to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I would love if we get there with your particular help. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. It will help us achieve and get more people just like you to come on in and chime into the conversation. And before you leave, chime into the conversation. Comment below what it is that you're going to implement from this video. What is the number one nugget? What is the number one takeaway that you got from this video, so you always remember it, and it's right there in the comments below. Put it there. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful, blessed rest of your day. Bye-bye.